you. Let's do some more games. Say the letter R with me. R, Superman. R, Wonder Woman. R, Batman. Batman? It's not a letter R. Oh, Sheldon, let's do some tongue twisting for fun. Tongue twisting here, tongue twisting there. Go, 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 go. Bitty butter, but she found the butter bitter. Doesn't think so soon and take a risk. Come, a cup of coffee in a copper. 6 mixed sticks on the bricks. Pia, say your words with a shh. Hash, mash.
Laway, ulbo ang laway.
Ah, pagbigyan ko ng sarap. Bukasin!
Teresa May Show.
Oh, si Amego, ay tinagayo, di ba da?